Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So to start off this look, I'm just going to start by filling in my brows. Once I have my brows filled in, I'm going to go ahead and carve them out using my concealer. If you don't know which concealer I use, just refer back to any makeup tutorial I have on my channel. I won't be switching up any products that I've used in this tutorial. So if you don't know which products I use on my face and eyes, then just refer back to any makeup tutorial that I have on my channel. Oh yeah, I meant to give a little warning. I actually had to record this video twice. So by the second time I recorded this video, I was kind of over it, hence the wig. So please don't come for me in the comments. I know how my wig looks. I know how my wig is sitting, and just bear with me. It is just to redo my makeup look, I promise. Once I've carved out my eyebrows and have primed my eyelids, I'm going to go in with a neutral brown shade and I'm going to put this in a crease. This is just to transition any colors that I'm going to be putting on, and it is also to go ahead and set that concealer that is in my crease so that whenever I'm blinking or as I continue this look, there is no concealer buildup in my crease. I'm gonna add these e.l.f. makeup strips. This is just going to reduce any fallout that I might have while I'm doing this eyeshadow look. To start off with, I'm going to go in with this royal blue shade and the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. This is my favorite palette right now, and I'm going to apply that right in my crease area, right where I have that neutral brown shade. Next, I'm going in with this teal color. It's a light blue color, and I'm going to put that right above where I put that royal blue color. This is just to transition and blend that color out. You want to make sure that you're taking your time blending these blues together so that it's all one big ocean, it's one big flow. Then take your indigo color, deepen that crease back up because sometimes the light blue can soften up the royal blue that we're really going for in that cut crease look. So now I'm just going to cut my crease. My technique of doing this is to add a little bit of concealer, look down, and it shows me exactly where I need to cut my crease. So I'm going to apply some concealer right there. Now I'm going to add some green. It's a neon green color in the same palette. And I'm going to put that everywhere that I cut my crease. All that concealer, I'm going to just make green now. I'm gonna go back in with this navy blue color. Sometimes whenever you cut your crease and add the lid color, it can kind of overwhelm it. So I'm gonna just go back and make sure that it is very dramatic, make sure that it's precise the way I wanted it to be. So I'm just adding that navy blue color right back into my crease where I had it. I'm gonna add this teal color again. I'm gonna mix the shades and I'm just gonna blend that crease out a little more, not to overwhelm the royal blues, just make it blend. Then I'm gonna take this color, put it right under my brow just to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm just gonna line my lash line on the upper part of my lid. I'm not gonna go as dramatic as I usually do. I'm just gonna make a subtle wing. Next, I'm going to take that teal color and I'm going to apply it on my lid, on the outer and inner corners of my lid. I'm going to make sure I leave the middle still green because this is the look we're going for. Next, I'm taking that same neon green color and this time I'm going to mix it with this dandelion yellow color and I'm going to apply that right where I have the green on my eyelid, and mixing it with the yellow is really going to make it pop. It's really going to make it look neon and it really actually completes this look. This part is optional, but I like to take a little bit of a matte black and I'm gonna put that exactly where I had that navy blue color right there on my cut crease, and this is just gonna make the look a little more precise. Then I'm adding my lashes, of course. In the future I will be selling them. They are mink. I will link that website down below. I'm gonna pop those right on. Then as far as the rest of this tutorial is concerned, it is really my everyday, every video type of makeup routine. It's just a little bit of concealer, foundation, contour. I added a little bit of teal and green on my bottom lash line just to tie it all together. But other than that, there is no new products that I've used. So I will see you guys at the end of this video.